Alright guys, so we are about to get on the haunted house. It is very, very windy. It's not like the free today here. The Halloween free to go up here, guys. Look at this. Look at the coffins. Oh yeah, baby. Look, are you ready, Jim? You ready? It's the POV here on Coastin' and Traveling. This is the haunted house here in Ocean City, Maryland. Oh my God. Oh my God. I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Are we getting out of here, Jim?
No, not alive.
Not alive. Oh my goodness. And this is where it's going to clip off for the regular. Oh. Oh. Oh, my Lord. Oh, oh. Oh my God, honey. God bless. Oh, Jim. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. There is somebody in here. I'm sorry, Jim. Holy shit. I'm sorry, Jim. Oh, I tell you, they do it. Knock it out of the park here. Oh, guys. Look at that view. We got Michael Myers. Holy freaking moly. Sorry about this, Jim. He's going to kill me later. I owe him a beer on this one, guys. Oh, Jim, I'm scared. Look at this. Always good graphics. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. It's dark right now, guys. Hold on to your heads, Jimmy. Holy moly. Oh, what the hell? Hold on, Jim. It's a railroad. We're on the railroad. Oh. Oh, hell. This is a situation I don't ever want to be in. I'm sorry, Jim. This is it. This is it, Jim. Oh, hell. Look at this, guys. It's them. Oh my God. Holy freaking moly. We got this and this guy. And I know from experience, he is not supposed to be on the track. Hold on to your hats, everybody. Jim, I'm sorry about this. You can take him, Michael. I've been a good girl, I promise. I promise. I promise. Shit. Oh, I promise, Michael. All right. Oh, my God. Holy moly. Holy moly. Oh, hell no, not today, Satan. Cuckoo, you got that right. Let's get the hell out of here, Jim. Ah! Oh, hell. Oh, guys. This is what I'm dealing with over here at the haunted house in Ocean City, Maryland. What do you think, Jim? Did you like it? You like it? Run for your life. And we're about to.
So catch me if I fall.